Ishara ria President William Ruto kauntiini ya Bungoma MOTHE riambiriirie kanithaini wa ACK. Thutha ucio erekera guthurima waki wa kiharo gia stadium kia Masinde Muliro Kandui. Na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikionekana gwikirira thirikari irakuruhania muingi kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi. Mutongoria wa bururi niemeneririe aria makoretwo na matanya ma kugayukania muingi akiuga mifango yao ndigukinyanira.
My Lord Bishop, I just want to tell you, these people don't mean well and they don't give up easily. Continue praying for our country.
Those who want to divide us will fail, and they will fail miserably. Those who want to preach to us sectarian, ethnic, parochial, regional politics will not succeed in this country.
Ruto ugete ishara riake gicigo-ini kia Nyanza nikionereria kiiganu ati AKENYA no maige ngurani ciao cia kiuteti kieheri-ini niguo gukinyaniria uthii wa nambere.
It is almost a miracle that the people who were on extreme sides a few months ago, today we are speaking as though we are very long time brothers and sisters and friends.
You did soul searching and came up with a solution that brought us back as a country. The broad government that you formed that included everybody. I was with you in Nyanza, Your Excellency. The excitement that we saw in Nyanza, our people in Western, tujipange pia. Lazima tujipange.
We are on track, and we are on track to put Kenya together so that we can be able to move and be a better nation in this part of the world.
Ishaini kuhe thirikari ni ikoretwe murikitwo ni kuruguria weru tafarira cia na rugurio hau kabere. President Ruto agitogeria muingi ni gwakiriria ndereti irahutia tafarira cia uthii wa nambere na ukinyaniria wacio handu ha utiganu wa nduriri itiganite.
So that conversation as to this road was promised has not been built. That road is ongoing, but slowly that road is going on well. That conversation about issues, development in our country is a very, very positive conversation.
Mutongoria wa bururi no wahinyiriirie atongoria metekere gutungatira muingi uri wothe gutekumakania kana ni mamaikirie kura. Ruto agitaririe wiheani wa thirikari hari gutigirira gutiri gicigo gigutigwo na thutha uthii-ini wa nambere.
I know some people, ask questions. What happens to us? Those of us in Bungoma who voted overwhelmingly for this administration. I want to tell you that this country, God designed it in a way that all of us can belong. And whatever is in Kenya, if we work together, we can bake a bigger cake that all of us can be satisfied.
President usherete kauntiini ya Bungoma MOTHE thutha wa gutiriha ishara ria thikũ inya gicigo-ini kia Luo Nyanza muthenya wa ira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.